What's up, YouTube? This is Rodney, Navtastic EDC, with another unboxing. This comes from an eBay purchase, and I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It is a cold steel product. So let's get into this. This package's unboxing knife is the Benchmade SOCP. Let's see. And we have a secondary box. Let's get into this. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, he's got it wrapped up good because he's got it in another package inside of that. That is not taped. Yeah, that's right. The Night Force. Wow. Blade length 4-inch, overall length 9. Steel is DSC Damascus, 4.6 ounce. Blade thickness 3.5 millimeter. 5-inch long G10 carbon fiber laminate. This has been on my want list for a while. Extra pocket clip. Wow. Look at that. G10 backspacer, has a lanyard option. It's like a typical spring steel that is go in and out of pocket easy. Polished lock bar spine. Just a nice big knife, plenty of grip for my medium-sized hands. Thumb area, finger area for your index finger for slicing. No jimping. And that, I believe, I'm not sure if that is pinned or a set screw to where you can adjust and rotate the thumb ramp indexing. Just a beautiful, and this is a laminate carbon fiber, which is basically a sticker over the top of G10. Cold steel, Italy. This is definitely one to be collected. Nice snap. This thing is built like a tank, y'all. Ergos go in my hand just perfect. You can see the fingers. Feels really good. I don't feel any hot spot on this. I do feel a little bit of the clip in the area of my hand here, but it's nicely contoured and radiused, so no hot spots. Just a really beautiful looking blade. 4 inches. The Cold Steel Night Force in carbon fiber and Damascus. Nice presentation case. Magnetic closing box and outer sleeve, which is a little bit of an upgrade from their typical knife boxes. This does have the Triad lock by Demco and their warranty. Great knife. These normally go in the 200 plus range, and I won this in an auction for about $150. So I think I got a deal on it, and it's one that I will be keeping for a while, because no telling where Cold Steel is going with the new ownership. It seems that they are going to be making knives, but it's sort of up in the air about if they're going to be the same quality, and the prices are going up from what I can tell. And this is an older model that has been discontinued. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave me a comment. I like talking to you guys. This is Rodney with Naftastic EDC, and keep those edges right. God bless. Y'all take care now.